Hi friends, welcome to AWS DevOps sessions. In this session, we are going to learn about Ansible Galaxy. Here, Ansible Galaxy is the place where we can find multiple roles which has been written by some other users. What we can do with that roles? By doing customization to that roles, I can be able to use the same roles in my environment. So how that can be done? I'm going to show now to you in a practical manner. Right now, I'm going to log in AWS console. Here, as I already logged in, I have one Ansible server which is currently running. I am just connecting to the Ansible server from the AWS console only. Instead of using the SSH client, from directly AWS console only, I'm going to log into the Ansible server. Once I had been connected to the Ansible server, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show now to each and every step. So right now, by default user is easy to user. Just mention sudo space -i in order to log in as a root user, and in order to log in as a Ansible user, sudo Ansible, type cd, and here if you type ll, here you have the already Galaxy 9 is there, which is a Galaxy repository. Suppose if you want to create the new repository, you can make mkdir Galaxy 1, mk directory Galaxy 1, enter. The Galaxy 1 directory has been created. Just type ll, and if you want to enter into the Galaxy 1, cd Galaxy 1, enter. Here right now you are in the Galaxy 1 folder. Type ll. There is nothing inside of Galaxy 1 because of up to now I didn't create any files. So what I'm going to do, I am going to initiate one empty repository. How that will be done? Ansible Galaxy space init space dot, enter. It is showing some error as dot repository has been already exist. If you want to reinstall, we just need to enter --- force. So I'm going to use --- force. It will be successfully created. Okay. So right now, if I want to search any role, so for right now, as I have the dependency of Jenkins, I just want to install the Jenkins on the target environment. For that, I'm going to create a role. So here, how I will be able to check Ansible Galaxy search Jenkins. I'm going to looking for the Jenkins role. It is going to all the roles related to the Jenkins. Here, the first role, if you observe the first role, it is matching to my requirement. My requirement is to deploy and configure the Jenkins. With the help of this first role, can I be able to perform my task? Yes, obviously I can be able. Just copy the name, copy, and enter Q here. Then you will be quit. Here you just need to, how you will be able to install that role? Ansible Galaxy space install and paste the content. So the role which you had copied, just make here, enter. Then you will be able to get the, just check whether there is anything or not. Earlier there is nothing inside the Galaxy 1, but right now I had get the role. By doing the customization to this, I will be able to use in my environment. Okay, up to now we had checked how we will be able to get the roles through command line interface. But if I want to get the same with the help of GUI, means graphical user interface, here in this way, simply log into the Ansible Galaxy. Here click on login. If you have the account, by mentioning your credentials, you will be able to directly log in. Okay, otherwise you can create your account. So once here, whatever the roles which you are looking, simply here, which role I am checking? Jenkins. Here multiple roles will be displayed here. You can download the role which is available here, whatever based on your requirement. Accordingly, by doing customization to that role, you can be able to use the same role in your environment. This is the purpose of Ansible Galaxy. Hope you guys understood this, and I will meet up you in the next session with the new topic. Until signing off, thank you. Bye bye.